Good morning, this is Guy from the Carpet Cleaning Guy. Currently on site where we've been asked to clean a training centre for the rail industry. So we've been asked to do the carpets and hard floor areas. So it's going to be the entrance carpets, all the training rooms carpets, the corridors, the kitchen area hard floors, office hard floors, and a couple more training rooms. So everyone's going to get a thorough vacuum to remove as much soilage as possible. Then I'm going to try two cleaning methods, one of them being hot water extraction. So a solution, say for this carpet type, we put down, agitated in and steamed out, and then I'll apply a antibacterial solution, and I'm also going to try and do some encapsulation. Okay, so that's the hard floors and the carpet areas cleaned, and it's actually come up really nicely. There's also a noticeable difference in the air quality. It's very pleasant. So hopefully when the customer comes in on Monday for a new training school, he'll be very pleased. So if you have a commercial property that you have hard floors and carpets which you would like to be deep cleaned professionally, please give me a call on 01634 790 417 or drop me an email to guy@thecarpetcleaningguy.co.uk.